Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you several gift ideas that you can DIY for your loved ones. Let's get started! Measure the height and width of the playing card and cut 52 pieces. Stick the paper on the face of all the cards as well as the cover of the deck. Write the title on the cover card and 52 reasons why you love your significant other on the rest of the cards. Punch a hole on the top left corner and secure all the cards with a decorative ribbon. In order to make this photo card, place the sticks in a line and stick a photograph on it. Cut through all the sticks and separate all the pieces. Take a strip of paper and glue all the sticks on it by leaving a gap of 2 sticks between each one. Write a sweet note or poem on the reverse side. Fold the paper in a zigzag pattern as seen here. Finally, secure all the sticks together with a decorative ribbon. In order to create this clothespin message, pinch the ends together and trace the opening on a blank piece of paper. Create a rectangle around it and cut along the lines. Fold the paper in half and create a crease on the traced line. Write a message between the 2 folds. Apply glue on the flaps and stick the message inside the clip. Take another rectangular piece of paper and draw an envelope on it. Cut the paper in half and paste the 2 sides on the top and bottom end of the clip. Finally, write a message on the stem of the clip and you're done! I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial and I would love to hear from you in the comment section below. I have mentioned a few tips and tricks in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Please help me grow my channel by hitting the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Click on this link here to learn several other gift ideas. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!